Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and to my old subscriber, thank you. May God bless you. Yes guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use potato and plantain to make fufu, guys. Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So what I'm doing here, basically I'm just trying to remove the back of the potato and the plantain. Yes, that is what I'm doing, guys. So after removing the back of the plantain, so I'm just going to cut it little for me to put it in the blender, guys. Yes, so I'm going to cut it little by little, like so, small pieces, like so. Yes guys, that's what I'm doing here. So after finishing cutting it small pieces, so I'm just going to wash it and put it in the blender and blend it very well, because it has to be smooth, guys. And for this you have to have a good blender for that, so that you not spoil your blender. So yeah, yes guys, so after putting it in the blender, I'll just go ahead and put a little bit of water, not too much. It's the way you want the fufu to be thick, guys. If you want it to be thick, just put a little drop of water. But if you don't want it to be thick, just like me, because me, I don't like strong fufu, so you just add water just like the way I add it. So I'll just blend it right now. So after blending, guys, I will just put my pot on the fire. So I will just go ahead and pour the blended things inside. That is what I'm doing, guys. I've already on my gas, so just continue just turning it. So after blending, this is how it looks. You see the way it's not too thick, but if you want your own to be very strong, because some people do like strong fufu, so you can just put a little drop of water, just like the way I said it before. So guys, after you just put your gas in the medium heat, just medium heat, and you start turning it, you start turning it. So guys, as you can see, I'm still turning it, so you can just keep on turning it until when the fufu is done, it's well cooked. So I'm still turning it, guys. You just have to turn it until when you know it is well cooked, Yeah, it has cooked, guys. This is how it looks. You leave it to cool a bit before eating. You have to leave it to cool a bit, before eating. So I will show you after it has get cold. I will just show you the way it looks. Yes guys, this is how it looked after it has cooled. Did you see that, guys? I don't want it to be too strong. You see it, guys? So that is it. That is how to make your fufu, guys. So you can eat it with any soup of your choice. You know, it's so delicious, it's so yummy. You will not get fat, you will not get bump, you know, when you are eating this kind of fufu. But that is it, guys. You see the way it looks. Because if you want it to be more stronger than this, just like the way I told you earlier, you just do it again. So yes, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Press the notification bell in case I upload the video. You will be the first one to be notified. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.